Good evening, students. Now we are talking about burning of a CD and DVDs. Burning of a CD or DVDs, it's a very important part of computer because through this uh, we can store the information of CD and DVD is only possible due to the DVD writer or CD writer, which burns the information onto recordable through laser beam. Insert a blank DVD writer or the CD writer disk into a optical drive CD or DVD writer. A burned disk wizard will appear on the screen. Give the disk a title. Window 10 does not allow you more than 16 characters on a CD or DVD title. So all of you have to not name the file more than 16 characters. Choose the option like USB flash drive. You have to select the USB flash drive if you want to edit our files later, or choose the option with CD or DVD player. If you don't want to edit the file later on, click the next, and then while the disk is prepared in for use, browse to use files that you would like to add to disk, then click on start, then file explorer with PC, and open the drive containing the CD or DVD writer. Drag and drop. All of you know the meaning of the drag and drop means whenever you are going to select a file and then after you are going to place it in some other location, that one is called the drag and drop method. You want to write to disk into the above folder. A progress window appears showing the disk burner. A progress window is showing you the work in progress. Window disappear. Window has been finished burning the disk. When you through copying a file or a disk right click, then the driver icon in the explorer, choose the eject window, close the session, adding a finishing touch to the disk, then lets other PC read it. So this one, if you try to copy a large number of files or disk which may fit into the CD or DVD, window will displaying a warning message. It happens in your mobiles also whenever you are going to restore the files which are larger. So your mobile phones or the system also giving you a warning that we don't have a sufficient space. You have to delete some unwanted files from your mobile phones, like this option. So what you are going to do, you are at that particular time period you are going to moving deleting the files from your mobile phone or a uh, computer. Organize file and folder. Organize means whenever we are going to maintain our file and folders, that means we are organizing the file and folders. File and folders need to arrange methodically in our computers so that we can organize one data appropriate. It is advised to arrange the relevant files in a single folder and the relevant folder into another folder. For example, which we would like to keep all our photographs in a single folder. Yes, we can, because it's why we are arranging all the photographs in a one folder, because it's not difficult to search the photograph whenever we want. And songs in another folder. School work and work of siblings irrespectively folders. Images in all these is not placed in different folders and they are just scattered in our computer. Because of the scattering of the information, that's why we are making to create a folders, and then after we are going to arrange them. Then what chaos it would be. Chaos means whenever the things are to be very confused, the things are very confused, they are called a chaos. To arrange our files into a various folders, window provides us with options of creating a new folder, deleting unwanted folders, and moving the folders. We are moving the folders and uh, deleting the folders, unwanted folders, because we need a space of that, because without a space we can't be able to do that anything. So that's why we are going to delete the unwanted folders also. So creating a new folders and